Today is a special day. We received a beautiful package from Bedoukian Research, United States. Let's see what we got here. All the sheets for the new molecules we are going to analyze for them. All the sheets for the ingredients we are going to smell. The new molecules discovery kit. Beautiful. With branded smelling strips. And they said we've added few extra for you, so we are going to see. I don't know what's inside. Terrasol FCC, Lime DN, Apritone, Cardamomaldehyde FCC, Vionil NEAT, featured fragrance products. Ooh. Nice, very cool. Block notes, pens, so there's a lot of work to do. Stay tuned.